If your Face ID is not working for whatever reason, here are 6 different things you can try to fix it. First, there might be something covering the camera. The Face ID camera is up in here somewhere, so make sure there's nothing covering it, there's no dirt on there, clean it with a cloth, make sure that the case is not covering it, your iPhone case, because if the camera can't see you, you can't use Face ID. So that's number 1. Number 2 is in the Face ID settings themselves. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down until you get to Face ID and passcode. It's going to require your passcode to get in here. And depending on what you're using your Face ID for, if some of these toggles are turned off, it won't work. So you can have your Face ID active, but if it's not turned on to be for iPhone unlock, you won't be able to use it to unlock your phone. So make sure that these toggles are set up correctly for your Face ID, and make sure that these apps are correct for your Face ID. If that doesn't fix your problem, step number 3 is resetting your Face ID. Resetting it is pretty straightforward. We have to first turn off stolen device protection. So we turn that off, and now we can go back to the Face ID settings page and reset Face ID, and then set up Face ID. And to do it, you just do what it shows you on the phone screen. So let's see if I can do this right here. Move this out of the way. You've got to turn your head around in a circle. Let's see if I can get this on camera. You gotta do it twice. And do it again. Yep, okay, we're good. Face ID is now set up. So do that to set Face ID up again. And hopefully that fixes the problem with your Face ID. Sorry for my audio, I had to move my mic out of the way there for a second. If that does not fix it, the next thing to do, step number 5, is check for software update. So let's go back out here, go to General, go to Software Update. If there is an update available, make sure you update, because that can resolve a lot of issues with your phone, including with Face ID. And if you do the update and it doesn't fix it yet, you can also reboot your phone. So to do a reboot, you press the volume up, volume down, and then hold the action button until the Apple logo appears. Keep holding it, don't swipe to power off, just leave that there. Keep holding it, the screen will go black. And if you keep holding it, the Apple logo is going to appear. There it is. Now the phone's rebooting, which just reloads the iOS software, and it can resolve lots of different issues as well. And the last option I want to show you, if your Face ID is still not fixed, then you might have to reset the settings. This is more of a nuclear option. It doesn't reset any data on your phone, but inside of the settings app, we scroll down, or we scroll down to General, and then scroll down to the very bottom of General, we have Transfer or Reset iPhone. And here we can tap on Reset, and then Reset All Settings. And that's going to reset all of these: network settings, keyboard dictionary, handwriting style, home screen layout, and location and privacy. Why we have to reset all those, I'm not sure, but sometimes it fixes it, believe it or not. But then you have to customize all those things again. That's why I call this option nuclear. It does not delete any data, does not delete any photos or videos. It just resets the settings for these various things. So hopefully one of those options works. If none of them work, I'd take your phone to an Apple store to have an expert look at it. It might be an issue with the sensor that does the Face ID right up in here. So it could be a hardware issue, and hopefully they can diagnose that for you. If you get value from my videos here on YouTube, consider joining the channel membership. Just click on the join button down below this video. You can see all the different options for the membership. And if you decide to sign up, I really appreciate it. It helps to keep making these videos on YouTube for free. And next, you should check out this video, which shows you how to get back tons of space on your phone. So make sure you check that out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.